So now that it's time to actually use all those things set up and work with it, the question is, how do you interact with data? So here's a quick refresher on this too. Interacting with data is really simple with Laravel's Eloquent, since you can use the model to directly interact with the database tables. For example, if you want to work with a single entry, create a new one for example, you would create a new instance of that model with the new keyword, pass the data with which you want to create this new post, provided the fillable field or property is set up accordingly, and then you can simply save that to the database with the save method. On the same hand, if you want to delete that, you call the delete method to easily delete an entry in the database. If you're not working with a single entry but instead with a relation, you might want to add a new comment to a post, for example. The first step is to find the post with which you want to work, and then the new comment is created. Now, instead of calling save on the comment, you call save on the relation between post and comments, which you simply create by executing this comments method set up in the post model here. Then by calling save, the save function is kind of executed on the joined tables, and by passing the comment you want to save as an argument, Laravel automatically will add the post ID of the related post in the corresponding post ID field in the comment which was created. So this quickly creates this relation in the database without you writing any raw SQL code. When interacting with many-to-many relationships, it's kind of similar, but here now you're not calling the save method, but instead attach. Attaching makes sure that you're not only storing the relation, the foreign key, in one database, but instead a new entry is created in the pivot table in the middle, so the table which holds the connections between two different models. So here again, you pass the user, for example, you might want to attach to a post as an argument, and if you want to detach, in this example here, all the users from a post, you would simply call the detach method. Of course, you may also pass an argument to that method to only detach some users.